Hi, welcome back. Another trip to the Still Life fruit bowl today as we look at mixing some oranges for some oranges. Okay, 3 piles of paint here. We've got cadmium orange, we've got chrome orange, and we've got cadmium lemon yellow. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to mix together roughly 50-50 cadmium lemon yellow with the chrome to make the highlight colour, and we'll just put a bunch of white through that. Well, you can push that any way you like. That's a little more orange into that, and that's your highlight colour. The other two colours are straight out of the tube. So chrome orange makes a beautiful mid-tone. Nice opaque paint, great coverage, real nice. It's a joy to work with. Likewise the cadmium orange for the shadows. There you go, super easy. 2 of them straight from the tube, the other one just a mixture of the 2, tinted out with a bit of white. So there you go. If that's been useful to you, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.